Who was Albert Camus? Albert Camus was a French existentialist philosopher and author who was born in 1913 in Algeria. Algeria, an African country, was under the French rule until the French president Charles de Gaulle was forced to grant the country its independence in 1962. We devoted the earlier sessions to understand the philosophy of existentialism, without which it would have been impossible to understand the work of Camus. Camus shook the literary world with the publication of the novel The Stranger, which is also known as The Outsider. This book was published in the year 1942. Set in Algiers, the capital of Algeria, it told the story of a detached, ironic hero, Mersault. The opening line sets the tone of the novel. Today, my mother died. Or maybe yesterday. I don't know. He is indifferent to all the happenings around him, his lover, and even to his mother's death. He kills a man who is known as the Arab for no particular reason and is put on trial. People are shocked to see that he feels no remorse for the gruesome act, nor does he feel sad at his forthcoming death sentence. He is truly outside the moral and ethical norms of the society. In a way, he is an outsider to all. This is an alienated condition. This protagonist truly imbibed the meaninglessness of human existence. Existentialists thus shun away all the moral and social baggage that society tries to pin on them. Their rejection of these codes, they believe, gives them freedom to act and take responsibility. Instead of despairing at the absurdity of the world, they try to define their life by taking accountability for their actions and their choices without relying on any external belief systems. Sometimes it sends shockwaves through the society. As Camus commented about his creation, Mersault, Mersault doesn't play the game. He refuses to lie. He says what he is. He refuses to hide his feelings. And so society immediately feels threatened. Camus resisted utter hopelessness or nihilism. Nihil means nothing. It is an extreme form of thinking which believes that all values are baseless and that existence as such is senseless and useless. It is often associated with extreme pessimism or a negative way of thinking, and also with radical skepticism. You're doubting everything. Camus is against this line of thinking. Camus argues that we have to live with the knowledge that we are imperfect creatures, bound to make mistakes in our forgettable, ordinary lives. But we must have the strength to endure and make something out of it. Camus tells that humans are like Sisyphus, the Greek figure ordered by the gods to roll a boulder up a mountain and to watch it fall back down again in perpetuity. Camus imagines Sisyphus to be happy at his predicament. Camus loved his life and he practiced what he preached. Camus was an outstanding athlete as a young man and played as goalkeeper for the junior local Algiers team. Although Camus was extremely popular all over the world, he was looked with suspicion by the Parisian intellectual community as he was a working class pied noir. Pied noir means someone who is born in Algeria but of European origin, French origin. His father had died of war wounds when he was an infant, and his mother was a cleaning lady. Albert Camus won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1957 and died in 1960 in a road accident.